kind of leads us into sin number 7, which is running aggressive maintenance during peak hours. It's just, I mean, not a good idea. Like you said at the beginning, we've had the clients reach out to us because, hey, everything's slow in the morning. We don't know why. And then it's great in the afternoon. Well, they were running pretty aggressive maintenance during those peak hours and causing those slowdowns.
Yep. And with that, I mean, I've seen people schedule, like I said, with a health clinic, that in the very beginning example, where maintenance is being done at 1 a.m., but it runs a lot longer than they expect. That's why I like to use the time limit on those kind of things, to only let it run for so long. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.